Hi, Mark Reedy here. In this video I'm going to show you real quickly how to change the equipment number on a work order that you've already created. So say you've already created a work order, you've put in the descriptions, the labor, the parts, any attachments and so forth, and you close it out and realize, even if you haven't closed it out, you just realize that you have done it for the wrong equipment number. So the way to change the equipment number, you can't do it from the screen while you're actually looking at that piece of equipment and all the work orders for that piece of equipment. You need to go to the work orders list. And what you do is you go ahead and close that work order. Go to Forms, Work Orders List. And we're going to look for that work order here. That's from 2019. So let's go back 2018, and then we're going to look for that one 7398, and there it is. So let's say this one was supposed to be on D103 and not D103 old. What I need to do is just go ahead and take the old out of there. Save and close. Pops up this message that says, are you sure you want to change the equipment number on this work order? We say yes. And so then we can click search again, and you can see that the equipment number has been changed on that particular work order. Open it up again, you can look at it and you can see the equipment ID has been changed to D103. Go ahead and save and close that. Close out the work orders list, and we can look at D103 and see that it is in there right here. All right, hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.